I'm gonna have a little bit of breakfast while I do this. Is that cool? Everyone? Anyone? Hi and welcome to Shout Out Sunday on this beautiful Sunday morning. Yeah, I mean, what are we talking about today? You know what we should talk about today? Hey, you should really do this. Search optimization. Look, important things. Try to pick something that's searchable. Look, on this channel I do a lot of Star Wars stuff, right? Star Wars props. How to repaint a Star Wars blaster. How to weather a Star Wars blaster, let's put it that way. No one is going to search for my video by going onto YouTube and typing in Star Wars and hitting enter. No one does that. No one goes to YouTube and says, YouTube, give me everything you have on Star Wars, enter. The way people search is in short phrases. Star Wars prop replicas, repainting Star Wars prop replicas, how to make a Star Wars blaster, how to repaint prop replica. That, right? Any one of those could be your title, but all of those should be your tags. Also, in an organic way for your video description. So there's a couple of keywords in there: Star Wars blaster, repaint, prop, replica, right? What I want to do is choose one title but include all of that in my description in an organic way, right? In this video, I'm going to be repainting and weathering a Star Wars blaster, but this can be used for any sci-fi, replica prop. You see how I've included a whole lot of like searchable tags. Any one of those little phrases could be searched for. That's the body of my description. There's a misconception that your tags should be single words. They shouldn't. They should be phrases. Nobody searches that way. Put a bunch of phrases in there. You're gonna have fewer like individual tags or whatever, but trust me, they will work harder for you. Now this is the sort of understanded, unspoken rule. Title and description is for search results. Tags is for the site. Is it on this? I don't know what site it's on. Is the suggested. YouTube search and the algorithm, all hail the algorithm, Lord, loves when it can hit an exact match on something. When somebody searches for one of the exact sentences in your title, description, or tags, it loves it. That's how videos, every once in a while, you'll get a video that somehow gets a huge spike, and it's because there's a match between how people usually search for something like that and how you exactly titled that, and it's equal, and the algorithm goes nuts for it. It's its favorite thing. Now, of course, your viewership, subscribership, this, any other, all of that bumps you up into the search, but at the very least, what you can do is make yourself as optimized as possible, and that's all it is, optimization. What you say to me, bruh? Dementeds Gaming Dungeon. This was actually a comment on Facebook, but you said about my Funko Pop head thing that I put up. Trying to make you famous. Well, I'll put it up on the screen. Trying to make you famous-ish. I tweeted it to Funko. Lol. So this is someone that like saw my video and shared it, and that's really important. Thank you so much. So I wanted to give you a shout out. This is a gaming channel. You're at what, 292 subscribers? You're about to break 300, so why don't we help the guy get him there? If you're into gaming and that's the kind of content that you like, check him out down below. Also, BunchaDong. I'm gonna link your channel again. I think now 2 weeks ago or something, I took a little tiny bit of a break. I don't remember, I didn't do a Thursday and a Sunday video or something like that, but then came back. Remember, I've only ever promised you one video. Look, here is the proof. Wherever it is, videos every Thursday. So I've only ever promised you one video a week, and I'm doing 3. Give me a break. But you were the only one, or maybe other people, I'm not gonna say only one, maybe other people noticed, but they didn't mention. But you took the time to sort of mention it. You were like, where are you? I'm waiting for more videos. So thank you so much. That's really encouraging, you know what I mean? Speaking of comment, and it's not really a comment, but someone has commented about me. squeak kind of messed that whole thing up. I was doing like this smooth thing and then NERDSMERIZED. I've gotten like on camera video shoutouts, but it's always kind of incredible for someone to say, especially a channel of that size, to sort of say, hey, go check out Maker Maddox, he's doing great content, and then you see the rush of people that come over and you know they're being sent from this channel, and that's incredible. That is completely selfless. Thank you so much for the shout out. It's like, you have no idea how much I appreciate that. It's so cool, isn't it? Like when someone gives you a shout out, I don't know, is that cheesy? Like especially on like platforms like these, when it's creator to creator, it's like, look, this is, I know I make videos on here, but I also watch, and some people are doing cool shit, and here they are. You know what I mean? That I like, and it feels good in both directions. I like doing it. I do it every Sunday, but it's also, you know, thanks so much. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna shake your motherfucking hand. I ruined it. Did I? I don't know. Thanks. What you watching, fam? And for the channel of the week, I wanted to shout out, I'm pulling it up on my phone, I'm sorry. Ooh, you girl, you need to fill out your about page. For the channel of the week, this is a good one. They just started, although they've been in the groups for a while, so maybe they were just ramping up to start. Clear Stains, 39 subscribers in a week, or maybe they had some before that, but like they started posting a week ago. This also feels like old YouTube, and I love it. It's a bit sort of silly. It's just not really taking itself seriously. I think there's a lot of like taking yourself seriously on YouTube happening. And it's like, what, isn't it like, I don't know, I'm on here to have fun. I don't really care about like how polished stuff is. I'm just making. That's pretty much all I wanted to say, because I just got bored of making this video. But before I let you go, I just want to say one more thing. Roll the thing.